Liam,
What?
are you excited?
Yeah.
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 How excited are you?
Very excited.
Right. To check. That's it. A. To check.
This. I just wore whatever was in my closet.
Ito si Coco. That's Liam's bear. He's chilling. Liam's gonna show you something, guys. Hi, Coco. Are you excited? Are you? We're gonna play ML, guys.
Say thank you.
I love ramen.
Can I see?
How I get fork? Oh, my fork. Bruh. I put this. I don't need a fork. I don't need it. I'm gonna do this.
Dito na kami, guys. Here na sa Japan Airport. Japan Airport. Sa Narita Airport. Sa baba?
Saying that. Like, they said this is Coke and this is water, and they said Makanamada.
You ko rin muna.
Huh?
I didn't know what that. Guys, I'm gonna do a conveni haul. Sila mama bumili. Ito, binili na to. And this. What? And then this, ano to? Pork cutlet. Ito.
Bagong luto pa yan.
Tapos, ito. Itong egg sando. Napitpit rogo. Pati itong ham cucumber. And then this one. One more egg. Tapos ito guys, I wanna try this. This one, yung fiber drink nila.
Later. Magpapray ko na.
Tapos, ito ba isa? Hala, walang jelly. Ito pala. And then this. Ayan, I wanna try this. Itong fiber drink. Masarap din. Daw. Tapos si ice. And then, ano pa ito?
Kasi magbibigay dito.
Wait, and then this one.
Oh, yes!
Yun lang guys. So yes, we're gonna
Natatakam na ako.
Ayun na yan!
How do I eat this?
Yun mo, naubusin mo na yun. Sige.
Yung basurahan natin. May basurahan tayo dito.
Ayun. Buti nagtanong ako, wala ka naka-display yung chicken.
Ito?
9 minutes daw. Ang bilis na naman may 9 minutes na.
Sarap ito guys. Itong
Lambot.
Fami Chiki.
So,
Nakabagong luto kasi siya.
Sarap. Try ko to. Okay. Ay. Ano to? Fiber mini.
No, wait.
Do I pour all of it? Oh, all. Tapos ito naman. So you're just here? I'm here for support. Okay. Oh,
Coffee
smells
support.
good. Do I pour all of it? I don't think so.
And then,
And then the jelly. Do I pour all of it?
Yeah.
What the hell?
I think you were supposed to suck it on there first.
It looks like bolos.
It looks like shit.
I put all of it. Is that good?
Yeah. Can I have straw?
Mmm.
kaya straw. Baka mo din mga straw. Hindi lang namin alam.
This.
Ganyan pala yan natin.
Sarap ng jelly?
At tapos na ba kayo kumain?
Ako di
Yeah.
pa.
Ha?
Hindi pa.
I am.
Let's mix.
Hindi naman ikaw tinatanunguhan. Diyan mo.
Let me taste.
Diyan. Bukas.
Tastes like Sprite. It's good. It's good, huh?
Bye-bye. Parang yan.
Sarap. Sarap, guys. Try nyo. Gusto yung try, Dad? Yes. Guess what? It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Maulan, guys. Grabe. We're here for Uniqlo, guys.
Okay, it's really protection.
Oh. Ito bago. $15. Cute. Can I see? It's so long. You need the short one. That's Kyrie's shirt? Oh, it's gonna be a dress.
Guys, you like the shirt? It's not Mona Lisa anymore.
Mona Lisa.
You need those.
No. Hi guys. So, I don't know bakit walang audio, pero yeah, nag-check out lang kami dyan. And, ayun, ang dami namin pinamili dyan sa GU kasi they have like every style that you can get. Not everything, pero yeah, marami silang style dyan. So, if you're going to Japan, you better check GU out because it's worth it. Yeah, clock it. Hi guys, nagbabalik tayo. Um, Kalimutan kong i-on yung mic ko. Ayun guys, nag-hoard na kami. Ang dami namin binibili. Nakabayad na kami actually dito sa GU. Nag-GU kami kasi 7th floor.
Hindi ka bibili?
7th floor may GU.
Magbibigay ng yung ganda nito.
Oo.
Kaya
That's
po.
mine. Hirap hindi tayo.
No.
Kasi sa akin yung damit. Ayun ba, ate, yung tayo mo yun.
What? So yun guys, ang dami niyan. Itong sobrang puno niya. Hindi naman, okay. Ayan lang. Come on, let's go. Let's go, Leo. Umuulan. What? We're gonna go to Jeans. Guys, so, hello? Naglalakad kami dito sa, I don't know where, but, pupunta kami ng Jeans para mag-check ng salamin. Kasi gusto ko ng salamin. Oh, this donkey! Are we gonna go? Diyan naman, pumunta kami ng Jeans. Nagpa-check ako ng eyesight. Kasi para lumalabo na yung paningin ko. Tsari. Pero yun, tapos hindi ko na masyadong bet din yung frame ko. So, gusto ko ng bagong frame. Diyan sa Jeans pala guys. Or, ewan ko kung sa lahat ng ano sa Japan. Pero, ikaw yung magkocontrol kung nakikita mo or malabo ba ganon. Unlike sa Pinas na ikaw yung tinatanong, di ba? Tapos ayan, not sure kung photochromic ba siya or blue light kasi hindi ko siya maintindihan pero yan, pinapili niya ako. Tapos ayan, bibigyan ka nila ng resibo, tapos hintayin mo yung number mo, pipili ka ng frames, tapos ayun, pag napili mo, pupunta ka sa kanila. Ayan, dito naman, dito kami sa Godzilla statue, ewan. Ayun, nakakainis na, hindi ko na o-open yung mic ko. Pero ayan, wala, diba? Ang ganda, angas. Yeah. Clock it. Ayan, wala pa rin audio. Ayan, nandyan lang kami sa may famous cat 3D something. Ayan. Umaambon pa yan siya, guys. Pero, ayun, masaya naman kasi syempre, parang BGC vibe kasi diba meron din ganyan sa BGC. And, hindi ko na lang sabihin ko, oh my gosh, ang hawa ng clip. Ayan, sige. Hi guys, mag-haul tayo na naman na family ko ngayong araw. Nagpunta kami sa Uniqlo, tapos meron sa 7th floor, meron silang GU. So, doon kami nanin. Ito, I got this pants. Ito yung price, 2,990. Yan, $29. Tapos itong Sando. And then this one. Parehas lang, ibang kulay lang. And then, I bought some pants, sweatpants na black. Kasi wala ako nun. Tapos, I bought shorts. Ito, light blue. Light wash. Tapos, ito pa. Red top. Plain shirt. Tapos, itong cutie na ano. Sa kids section ko pa ito binili.
Kasi, dami ng gamit
Diba?
mo.
Ito last. Ito. Yan. Ayun lang. Bumili din ako na itong ano guys pala. Salamin. Ito from jeans. Oh.